My name is Emma Lovell and I am a personal branding specialist. I'm lovely by name and lovely by nature. I help women to show up as they truly are. I help female entrepreneurs to show up and make an impact. So the idea of this retreat is to rest, to connect with others, and then to receive the opportunities.
The reason for me coming on this retreat, to be honest, was Emma. I love Emma's work.
She's such a natural at doing this, working with women to help them be the face of their brand.
Emma has this unique way of bringing people together and connecting people.
She's able to bring out the best, and if she could do that over a Zoom, imagine what she could do in a retreat, in person.
So the Rest and Receive retreat is the opportunity to step away from the day-to-day, to reconnect to who you are and to work on that future that you desire.